Paris Rhône Ultra Short Throw 4K Laser Projector Review. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same projector, there's Amazon links below this video for USA, Canada, and the UK. The Paris Rhône Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector is a 4K UHD laser TV projector that goes up to 150 inches in size. I wasn't sure about these types of projectors before I got this one, but so far I'm highly impressed with the quality of this short throw projector. I'm used to having regular projectors that you have to have for a long distance, but if you have a limited space size and a nice screen or wall to project it on, then short throw is the way to go. And for this one, having it at 4K is amazing. It will go to a display resolution of 3840 by 2160, and so far it has produced very crystal clear imaging. The lamp hours goes up to 25,000 hours, so it's robust and eco-friendly. I'm very impressed with the sound quality. I've had projectors in the past, so the sound quality is not great, but the sound quality for this projector is fantastic. Also, this projector works well in dark or light rooms, so the lamp quality is very good. Also, it's great for gameplay with the 60 Hz refresh rate and the 50 ms of input. You can play games super smoothly on this short throw projector. And it has plenty of inputs. It has a USB 2, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, an audio out and AV in, and a LAN. It has basically everything you need in a projector. I think this is a great quality projector at a very reasonable price for the quality you're getting. If you're in the market for a short throw projector, I highly recommend that you check out this one. If you want to get this particular model at a great price, check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best possible price.